Good morning students. Welcome to next video. In this video we are going to see some of the specimens around us and we are going to know more about these specimens. So before starting the topic mixture and compounds, we need to know about these specimens, what these specimens are. So this is what I have is zinc granules with me. You can see this is dark gray color lumps like in appearance. These are zinc granules. These are called as granules. Actually these are not granules, these are lumps. Granules तो छोटे दाने होते हैं, but ये lumps हैं अभी. This is a metal. Zinc is a metal. This is magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is again a metal and it is available in this ribbon form. जैसे आपके ribbon के rolls आते हैं, round rolls बना के देते हैं, वैसे ही ये roll है. उसमें से एक छोटा सा पीस मुझे मिला है, तो आई एम डिस्प्लेइंग इट टू यू. दिस ग्रीन कलर्ड specimen, green crystals of this specimen are actually of iron sulfate. This is blue colored specimen. You can see it's beautiful blue color. This is copper sulfate. This powdered dark gray color substance is actually iron filings. Very fine powder of iron we have taken. This is iron filings or iron fillings, you can say. This yellow colored brightly yellow colored substance is sulfur powder. Iron, you all know, this is metal. This is a non-metal. Metal, a compound, because it is made up of some different kinds of elements and fixed amount, so it is a compound. We will be doing that in detail. This is copper sulfate. This is also a compound. So we have some categories of substances over here. These three gray colored specimens are metals. Moreover, you have seen gold, silver, aluminium, copper, brass, bronze, etc. all these at your homes, out of which some are metal, some are alloys. Alloys we have discussed that brass and bronze are alloys, otherwise aluminium, silver, gold, these are metals. So these three, they are of metal category. This is non-metal and these two are compounds. Now I am going to show you this matchstick also. The tip of this matchstick is covered with another element, metallic element known as phosphorus. Phosphorus hota hai ye, either in red color or in green color. You have also seen at the tip of this matchsticks. Now I am going to show you a mixture of sulfur and iron powder. So this is the mixture of sulfur and iron powder. Whatever amount you can take for making a mixture, that will be called as a mixture only. So I am mixing it right now. Now if you see, then you can see sulfur as a separate and some gray colored iron filings are also seen in this as a separate entity. Separate दिख रहे हैं आपको. तो मिक्सचर में क्या होता है, मिक्सचर में आपको चीज़ें सेपरेट दिखती हैं. अगर मैं इस आयरन सल्फेट और कॉपर को भी मिक्स कर दूं तो ये दोनों भी सेपरेट दिखेंगे यहाँ पर. तो ये आयरन और सल्फर का मिक्सचर मैंने लिया. नाउ आई हैव अ मैग्नेट विद मी एंड लेट अस से व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन आई keep this magnet inside this sulfur and iron mixture. You can clearly see that this has attracted iron filings and you can see that these iron filings are appearing like very tiny streaks of this iron filings. See how beautiful they are looking. I'll show you. वेरी फाइन स्ट्रीक्स, बहुत पतली पतली ऐसी लाइन्स की फॉर्म में ये सेटल हो गया है. सम ऑफ द सल्फर हैज़ बीन कलेक्टेड ओवर द टॉप बट इट्स easily separating, but iron filings are very thickly, very densely attracted with this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So these were the specimens that you have seen here, and at least you must have a little knowledge about these specimens also. So we are continuing with this mixture and compounds properties next. Thank you. Now let us start the difference between mixtures and compounds. So first point is a mixture is obtained when two or more elements or compounds just mix together without involving the formation of any compound. Means there is no chemical reaction taking place between different kinds of elements or compounds. Compounds are like, you just keep on imagining कि iron sulfate and copper sulfate is a compound, water is a compound, sodium chloride, the common salt that you use, is a compound. I am discussing about mixtures first because mixtures we have already done. Then we will be taking compounds because compounds are in detail. So let us do mixtures first. And with the help of this activity, iron and sulfur mixture, I am going to explain some of the points. So they are just mixed together, and in any proportion you can take, that will be called as a mixture. Like for making lemonade at your homes, what you see कि आप किसी भी रेशो में water, lemon, sugar, salt, whatever you want to add or subtract or plus or minus you want to do, you can do. That will be called as a lemonade itself. वो mixture ही रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि you keep on changing the contents or composition of that lemonade, then lemonade will be called as cold drink. This won't happen. So mixture will remain mixture even if you change the concentration or composition of the things that you have taken. So iron filings and sulfur mixture you have seen. When a magnet is brought near this mixture of iron are attracted, but sulfur remains in the watch glass. That you have already seen. Now these two are chemical tests that I can't show you at the moment, but we will do it definitely in the lab. And if an acid, this is some acid, this is a chemical substance, again this is a chemical compound, is added to the mixture of iron and sulfur, a colorless ऑर्डरलेस, जिसकी स्मेल भी नहीं है, जिसका कलर भी नहीं है, ऐसी कोई हाइड्रोजन गैस निकलेगी विद ब्लू फ्लेम. और जब आप उसके आसपास मैचस्टिक लेकर आओगे तो इट बर्न्स विद अ पॉप साउंड. एक जैसे बर्स्टिंग साउंड होती है, जैसे आप पॉपकॉर्न्स को बनाते हो तो उस टाइम पे जो पॉप साउंड आती है वैसी साउंड आती है. And unreacted sulfur remains at the bottom. Means the crux of this line is, this point is कि with the help of some chemical substances you can separate the components of mixture. So by using hydrochloric acid, iron is separated but sulfur is not. Now what to do if we want to separate sulfur? Then carbon sulfide, this is also a compound, CH2, this is taken. Need not to remember the formula at the moment, that we will do in next chapter. Carbon sulfide, a liquid compound, is added to the mixture of iron and sulfur. Now this time what we will see, that sulfur is dissolved but not iron. So by the use of various kind of chemicals, what you can have the different components of mixture. Like in the case of lemonade itself or sugar salt solution, what we have done, we just need to evaporate the water and you will get salt or sugar at the bottom of the substance as a residue. So next is, this was all about the activity of iron and sulfur. Now let's come to the general points of mixtures. It is formed as a result of physical change. Obviously we have mixed two things, nothing chemical we have involved, nothing chemical change, chemical processes we have taken care of. So this is a physical change itself. Now the constituent of mixture can be easily separated by बिल्कुल सिंपल मेथड से, जैसे फिल्ट्रेशन कर दिया, इवेपोरेशन कर दिया आपने, या डिस्टिलेशन, सब्लिमेशन, एक्सट्रैक्शन विद सॉल्वेंट जैसा हमने HCl या फिर CS2 ये लिया था, या फिर मैग्नेट्स, ये सब आप लोगों ने देख लिया अभी. तो सिंपल आप फिल्टर कर दो, इवेपोरेशन कर दो, या प्यूरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस कर दो, या डायरेक्टली सब्लाइम अगर कोई सब्सटेंस होता है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव अ मिक्सचर ऑफ NH4Cl, अमोनियम क्लोराइड एंड सॉल्ट, देन व्हाट यू डू, दिस मिक्सचर you have taken, simply heat up the mixture. NH4Cl being sublime substance, उसका सॉलिड का एकदम वेपर फॉर्म आ जाता है, तो ये वेपराइज हो जाएगा, सब्लिमेट हो जाएगा, बट सॉल्ट विल रिमेन एज सच. तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सेपरेट. अ मिक्सचर शोज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट. मीन्स आपको आयरन उसमें अलग दिख रहा है, सल्फर उसमें अलग दिख रहा था, तो मिक्सचर अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज शो करता है. अगर आयरन और सल्फर से समझ में नहीं आता तो जस्ट कीप लेमनेड्स एग्जाम्पल इन योर माइंड कि वेन एवर यू सिप even a single drop of even a single sip, then what you feel, you easily feel the taste of sugar in it, salt in it, lemon in it, water in it. So the properties of each and every thing that you have mixed, that you can feel, that you can see. The composition of mixture is variable, that I have already told you. Mixtures does not have a fixed melting and boiling point. Why this is so? Why they do not have a fixed melting and boiling point? Because they are simply made by mixing the two things together, not a fixed ratio. जब तक आप चीज़ों को फिक्स नहीं करोगे, कुछ भी फिक्स नहीं होगा. जब तक आप कॉम्पोजिशन फिक्स नहीं करते तो उसकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ या केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ भी फिक्स नहीं हो पाएंगी, वो चेंज हो सकती हैं. Like for example, if water you have taken, water is a pure substance, if there are no impurities and nothing has been mixed in water, water is a pure substance. But the moment you add salt or sugar in it, the boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius, it keeps on changing because salt acts as impurities in it. This salt has made this water a mixture instead of pure substance, and its boiling point will keep on shifting for that also. A mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures we have seen. होमोजीनियस के लिए हमने सॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ा, हेट्रोजीनियस में हमने कोलॉइड्स और सस्पेंशन के बारे में पढ़ा. तो सॉल्यूशन में आपका लेमनेड, शुगर, सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन ये सब आते हैं. कोलॉइड्स में आपका मिल्क, ब्लड, इंक. सस्पेंशन में सैंडी वाटर, मडी वाटर, ये सब आते हैं. Energy is neither absorbed not evolved in the formation of a mixture. Obviously you can see that I have shown you that also कि कुछ भी आपको यहाँ पर मिक्सचर्स में जनरली ना कोई हीट एब्जॉर्ब की जाती है, ना ही कोई निकलती है लैब में अगर हम देखें तो.